What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scare Router Collective. I figured I'd hop on here and show you some of the new stash ads I brought home from my earlier hunt this weekend at Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource. So here's their card, has their information on it. Check them out on Facebook, Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource. They're also the owners of Johan Oldies LLC. They own the trademark to the Johan name, and they're bringing Johan back. So check out the Atomic City playlist on my channel if you want to see all the kits and stuff that they're doing and things they're bringing back, and get a tour of their shop. It's a really awesome shop. It's definitely one of the best in Southwest Ohio. So let's go ahead and get into what I got. So here is a Roarin Rail. It's a Tom Daniel's design. You can see it's missing some pieces. That's because it's a part of their builder bags. Their kits that are missing a few pieces that can be brought back to life. They had a 50% off sale this weekend, so I figured I'd go ahead and grab it before somebody else did. I've been eyeing it for a while. I didn't know what it was until I got it home. I just knew it was this really cool, groovy dragster guy, and that's what it ended up being. So these originally came out in 1970. There's a copyright on there. They were re-released in 2001, but on the box art it shows blue. So I don't know how you could tell what color you would have got. Maybe it was just random. I have no idea. I did a little bit of research and figured out what the kit was, and that's about as deep as I dug. There would be some big cartoony wheels on here, a big engine, a moon tank, a steering shaft that would attach to the wheels up here, and it's missing a chute, which I have chutes, so I can get that fixed. Any motor pretty much will probably go in there, so not too worried about that either. And I have plenty of moon tanks, so I just got to find some cartoony wheels. They look kind of like this, but they're just back slicks, so they're a little fatter. But this was a snap type kit, so if you've never seen it, it's definitely pretty cool. Happy to have this. I will fix it up eventually. Main thing is, like I said, just got to find the cartoon back slicks, and everything else can pretty much just be got from random kits. But good thing Atomic City has the boneyard. You can go and dig through the parts, and I'm sure I'll find them eventually. Let's go ahead and head into the other kits and things that I got. So the next kit that I got is a Little Red Wagon. So the Dodge wheel stander. Definitely a really cool kit. Not going to dig into it too much, but that will be coming to the build table. Then the next thing I picked up is a Weird-Ohs daddy. I've been needing him for quite a while, so I decided to finally pick him up while I was there. This is a Hawks kit that was re-released by Testors. So some of the Hawk kits have the Testors name on them, but this is Daddy. So get him done eventually. So that's what he looks like built up. Driving the coffin car. There's Leaky Boat Louie. I still need to get that guy. We built the drag hag. So if you're looking to see what we did with her, she's on the channel. And we need to get an Enville Eddie, but we're getting them all slowly but surely. And the last thing I got when I was there is a really cool kit. It's a Testors QuickBuilder Chezoom by Boyd. So this is a 57 Chevy Custom by Boyd Coddington. There is no engine and no interior, so it's pretty much a curbside kit. So here's the body. Somebody already did start it. Their paint job isn't too bad. This is pretty close to what the color is on it in real life. So they didn't do a bad job. Here's the inside. So it just needs put together the rest of the way. There's the bottom. You can see it's just got everything molded in. So there you can see it just says Testors stamped on there. Then here's the chrome. It's just some stickers. Kind of hard to show everything, but there's some chrome right there. Testor sticker of Boyd. 2 more little chrome pieces. And then there's the tree piece, but obviously there's nothing on that. This is the stuff we need for the rest of it. Got the headlights, tail lights. One of them's right here in the box, but these are the last little pieces we need to finish it off. Pretty cool. Saw it and definitely had to have it. So here's what the instructions look like. So it says the Chezoom QuickBuilder instructions. Shows you a picture of the real car, which is on the box. Just your basic instructions, except for obviously you don't have to build a motor or interior. Definitely pretty neat. I've never seen one of these kits before. But it's telling you where to glue everything together. So we'll probably get this put together real quick and I'll come back. So here she is, the Chezoom by Boyd Coddington in all of its glory. Got it put together. Got that 57 chrome insert in there with the sticker. Now this chrome piece right here is a little bent, so I don't want to stay glued down. So I'll probably have to put a little bit more glue and then put some rubber bands on it to get it to get in its final place. This side right here is pretty good. Go ahead and rotate it around. So pretty cool and nifty kit. Didn't take much at all. Just a little bit of glue and we got it put together. So hopefully we'll make whoever had this pretty proud by finishing off their build. They just had a pretty good foundation for us. And very nice kit. Very cool kit. Never seen one of these quick builds before. I believe it's from 96. So yeah, 1994. So I wasn't even born yet. So but pretty cool. Ended up putting the Boyd sticker on the back plate there. So those were license plates after looking at the instructions. Could have went with the Testors or Boyd. I went with the Boyds. And that's all we have for you. Wish we had a little bit more, but that's all we got for you for right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for stopping in, checking it out, and watching. If you really like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe so you can come back and see what other things we got. Leave a comment what you think about the kits, and have you ever seen this kit before? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by the family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.